Good day, everyone. This is Grum Grum. Welcome to my channel. Watching a plant grow and flourish under your care fosters a feeling of success and boosts confidence. This is beneficial and appreciated by gardeners like me. This is a follow-up of the Cymbidium that I repotted in mid-summer. Using a pot with adequate drainage, blend of fir bark, perlite, and well-draining potting soil provides good airflow and prevents waterlogged roots. The ratio is 20% well-draining potting soil, 50% fir bark, and 20% perlite. Watering deeply after transplant, then keeping the plant slightly damped and avoiding dryness and sogginess. Placing the plant in a bright, sheltered spot with filtered sunlight, avoiding direct afternoon sun. I mulch my Cymbidium plant in wintertime with shredded dry leaves. Shredding the leaves is essential because it prevents the leaves from matting together, which can block water and air reaching the soil. Mulching acts as insulation that protects roots from freezing temperatures and sudden damaging temperature fluctuations. Keep the soil moist. Water and soil holds heat better than dry soil. Leave the mulch on top of the soil to decompose over the winter. 21 weeks after repotting, my Cymbidium started budding. "30 weeks after repotting, my Cymbidium bloomed." Tending plants teaches patience, growth, and care. Despite consistent daily care, results cannot be rushed. Plant growth requires nurturing, time, and resilience to overcome challenges. Meaningful results, such as blooms, require consistent long-term effort. Plants sometimes struggle or fail to grow. Learn from mistakes and try again.